What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to reduce delay and fix lag when using GeForce Now on your Windows PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Reducing delay and fixing lag when using GeForce Now will heavily come down to optimizing your own network connection. There are a few settings we should look at first. Launch the GeForce Now application. On this window, click on the menu icon on the top left to access your settings. Under Server Location, click Test Network. This will take a couple of seconds to analyze your current connection and see if your server location is set correctly. You will see information regarding your bandwidth, packet loss, and latency to the server. On the right-hand side, you can compare your results with the recommended values. If you feel like you have an unreliable connection to the current GeForce Now server, then click Auto under Server Location and proceed to change it from US West to US Central, for example. You should do the test again and compare your new results. Below, you will have the option to adjust your GeForce Now streaming quality. You can use presets like Competitive, which will increase your frame rate, to Balanced, which will optimize your performance and data usage to your current network connection. It's suggested to set this option to Custom. Set your max bitrate option to your connection's current highest bitrate you can allocate for GeForce Now. A good middle ground could be 25 megabytes per second, but lower this option if your connection is not as fast. You can visit speedtest.net to test your current network connection to the closest server. Look at your average up and download speed. Back in your GeForce Now settings, you have the option to use a custom resolution. Lowering your resolution from, let's say, 1080p to 720p will lower the required bandwidth to stream the game on your PC, and it might completely fix delay and lag. This will in turn lower the visual quality of the game. If you choose to use a custom resolution, then make sure to lower it in-game too. Next, depending on the game you're looking to play, you can increase the frame rate from 30 to 60, especially if you lowered the game resolution. Below, use the Adaptive VSync option and then proceed to disable VSync in your game settings. This will help lower any potential lag or delay while in-game. Lastly, make sure to adjust these settings for poor network connections when enabling this option. When this is done, you can proceed to close this window, as well as any programs which could use up your network bandwidth. Also, use an Ethernet cable if possible to get the most out of your router. Next, open up your command prompt by searching for it in your Start menu search. On this window, use the command ipconfig/flushdns. This will flush and reset the content of your DNS resolver cache and can often fix the connection problem for GeForce Now. Before trying to play a game through GeForce Now, make sure that your VPN connection is disabled. Only in specific cases will a VPN help you fix delay, and if you need a low latency VPN, then visit the link from the description below. Next, to optimize your PC and potentially lower network-related lag, open up your Windows settings. In the Windows Update section, click Check for updates. Proceed to download any update that might be available to you and restart your system once the download is complete. After making sure that no other programs are using up your network bandwidth, navigate to the gaming section of your settings. Here, under Captures, make sure to set the Record What Happened option to Disabled. This will, when enabled, use up your system resources to capture your gameplay. Depending on the game you're looking to play, you will have options that allow you to further fix lag by switching the server location, for example. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.